Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Group channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy F62 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set screen zoom in your phone Samsung Galaxy F62. First of all, go to the settings in your phone and click on display. Then click on screen zoom, and here you can increase the screen, that is you can get bigger screen. See the interface. So if you are using messaging type of app like WhatsApp or any other messaging platform, then you can if you want to if you would like to get to bigger screens, bigger text, then you can just use this screen zoom and it will be applied. This is very large screen size. Okay, this is default. So in this way you can select from between these these 5 options. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.